So this is just my hair from last night. I'm going to take my bun down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to brush my hair out a bit. So I'm going to take Privé's restoration treatment. I'm going to put almost like a half a pump. I'm going to rub it through my fingers. So what I'm going to do is take kind of a horizontal section here. And this is where I'm going to start my braid. I'm going to section into 3. Now I'm going to start to pick up some hair on the side. And I'm just going to add a little elastic at the end. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to warm up the braids with my blow dryer, and then we're going to leave the braids in. I'm going to do a quick little makeup, and then we'll take the braids out and then see what kind of texture I'm left with. So I'm just finishing off grooming my eyebrows. Just adding a few more little hair flecks here in the front. So for like a quick daily out the door look, I just kind of do a very thin line at the end of my eyelashes. So for this, I'm going to use my mirror. That's so my eyelids are kind of facing downwards. And I'm starting at the top of my eyelid, right kind of in the center of my eye. And I'm just imagining a straight line from there, going straight out. Because my eyes are smaller, if I put eyeliner all the way through on my eyelid, it's going to close my eye and make it look smaller than it already is. So what I'd like to do is, since I'm expanding my eye in this shape, I do want to add a little dimension in the inner corner, so that'll just kind of give me some shape without closing everything in. I've pre-curled my eyelashes. Now I'm just going to do a thin coat of mascara. Add a little touch of gloss. So now I'm just going over everything with a light powder just to set all my creams. Now it's time to take the braids out. And I'm just loosely unwinding them. I don't want to make them frizzy or too fluffy yet. I'm going to use a little bit of Privé's finishing texture spray. So that's going to kind of break up the uniform hair, kind of give it a little bit more of a natural look. There you have it. I'm ready to go out the door. Quick and easy way to do your quick hair and makeup. And that's it. And I just used a little finishing texture spray and Privé's restoration treatment. So now my hair is wavy, and it also has a leave-in treatment. So it's also being moisturized throughout the day. So thank you for joining me. Bye.